Yeah, we're getting tired of all those anime-themed NFT projects. Well, yeah, me neither. I mean, they keep on delivering. I do have one really exciting anime-themed NFT project for you guys and another one, so hold on tight. I'm Lisa, this is NFT Rex, let's go. The first one I'd like to touch upon this evening is the the Misfits. Okay, we are Misfits. Are you a Misfit? I'm not sure. I don't think I am. And yeah, so there was another Misfits project not long ago, and I did a video about it, so you can definitely check it out and just see how this one is different from that one. But this one is by Canunio Venture Lab, and I'm gonna talk about them just a bit later. But let's take a look at the art. Okay, art is looking really good. The skateboard with this kind of jet engines on the side of the wheels. I mean, it's looking cool. The art is looking really cool, and there are some videos very mysterious. There's no Discord or anything yet, so really early. And make sure to follow their Twitter. They are giving away whitelists. The first tweet happened on 19th of April, just 10 days ago, and it's definitely worth your time. They are giving away whitelists left and right. But who are they? Who are the founders? That's what Conion is behind this project. You may have heard of Conion before, but what is it? So there is a Conion Pass, and this is an alpha chat, and they are giving away some whitelists and something like that. So you just need a pass, and pass is currently for 1.1 ETH. So not cheap, but many people say it is worth it. Many of my friends say it is, so they say they can really utilize this. Okay, so I'm not sure. I already have some other ways to do this exact thing, but you know, this one can be really good. And yes, here we are, the anime themed NFT I was talking about in the beginning. Yes, it is called Asura. I hope I pronounced it well. Yes, and they have 12.1k followers, which is really decent. They joined on March 22nd, and the Discord is closed, nothing. So it is just still in a shroud of mystery. And yes, the art. Okay, this is what brings the most value, I think, to this project. Is just the art is looking so sick. Of course, it is a 2D anime art, and they seem to be just going really well. I mean, come on, look at this. Yeah, this is the kind of an avatar and PFP. So yes, these are looking really cool. I don't have any more information about it. Just the art is looking really cool, and yes, definitely has potential. I don't know, I just have a feeling about it that it's gonna be big. And as all the projects that are so new and they do not want to open Discords, they are giving away whitelists, and they're not calling it a whitelist, they're calling it some other thing, but doesn't matter really. So they are giving away whitelists, and I think this one's gonna go big, so definitely keep your eyes open, guys, on this one. So are these two projects gonna get you your Lambos? Well, you never know, I guess, but definitely worth your time, and if you get your hands on those whitelists, they're definitely gonna be worth it. So of course, do your own research, and thank you so much for your time. Like, subscribe, may the odds be in your favor.